In this video, we will learn how to write a prime number program in Java. In this section, we will discuss the introduction to prime numbers. A prime number is a natural number greater than 1 that cannot be formed by multiplying two smaller natural numbers. Prime numbers are important in programming because they are used in various algorithms and calculations. They have some unique properties that make them useful, such as being only divisible by 1 in themselves. Finding prime numbers is a common task in programming, as it is often needed in cryptography, number theory, and other fields. There are different algorithms to check whether a number is prime or not, such as the trial division method, sieve of Eratosthenes, etc. Now, let's move on to the algorithm for checking prime numbers in Java. Let's go through the step-by-step algorithm to determine whether a given number is a prime number or not. First, we start the loop from 2, which is the smallest prime number. Then, using the modulo operator, we check if the given number is divisible by any number between 2 and the given number minus 1. If the remainder is 0 for any division, then the number is not prime. However, if the remainder is not 0 for any division, then the number is prime. We continue the loop until the end, stopping if the remainder is 0, indicating a non-prime number. Finally, we return the result whether the number is prime or not. Now, let's start coding the prime number program in Java. In this slide, we will discuss how to write a Java program to check whether a given number is prime or not. We will go through each line of code and explain its functionality. Let's get started. This code snippet is a Java program that checks whether a given number is prime or not. It initializes the variable num with the value 29 and sets the Boolean variable is prime to true. Then, it iterates from 2 to half of the num value and checks if num is divisible by any number using the modulus operator. If num is divisible, it sets is prime to false and breaks the loop. Finally, it checks the value of is prime and prints the corresponding message. In this code snippet, if the is prime variable is true, it prints the message 29 is a prime number. Otherwise, it prints the message 29 is not a prime number. Now that we have coded the prime number program, let's test it. In this slide, we will learn how to test the prime number program. We will provide sample test cases with different input numbers and explain the output generated by the program for each test case. Now, let's discuss how we can optimize the prime number algorithm. In this section, we will explore various techniques to optimize the prime number algorithm. Let's start by discussing the use of a prime number sieve. By using this technique, we can eliminate the need to check divisibility by all numbers up to the square root of the input number. This can significantly reduce unnecessary computations and improve the overall performance of the algorithm. Another way to optimize the algorithm is by improving the loop that checks for divisibility. By starting from 3 and incrementing by 2, we can skip all even numbers greater than 2, as they are not prime. This prevents unnecessary checks and improves the efficiency of the algorithm. Additionally, memoization can be used to store previously calculated results and reuse them instead of recomputing. This can further enhance the performance of the algorithm. Finally, the choice of programming language and compiler can also impact the performance of the prime number algorithm. Different languages and compilers have different optimization techniques and features that can affect the execution time. It's important to consider these factors when implementing the algorithm. Now let's move on to the next section. In conclusion, in this video, we learned how to write a prime number program in Java. We started by understanding what prime numbers are and why they are important. Next, we discussed the algorithm for checking prime numbers and implemented the program using Java. We tested the program and explored methods to optimize the algorithm. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of prime numbers and how to write a program to check for prime numbers in Java.